Imagine having your own personal AI assistant, one that never sleeps, never takes a break, and can handle your emails, manage your calendar, browse the web, run complex workflows, and even write and execute code, all from a simple message on WhatsApp or Telegram. No complicated dashboards, no learning curve. Just you, your phone, and an AI that actually gets things done. That is exactly what OpenClaw makes possible. And today we're going to talk about the easiest way to get it running, completely free. And if you're someone who's already heard about OpenClaw, but felt like setting it up was just too technical, too time-consuming, or too expensive, this video is made specifically for you. By the end of this, you're going to see exactly how anyone can get their own OpenClaw agent up and running in literally one click, with a free server and free AI credits included. No terminal commands, no server configuration, no prior experience needed. But before we dive in, if you're new here and you love content about AI tools, automation, and smarter ways to work, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And if this video ends up saving you time, money, or even just a frustrating evening of troubleshooting, drop a like and share with a friend who could use this. It genuinely helps this channel grow and keeps videos like this one coming your way. All right, let us get into it. So let us talk about what OpenClaw actually is, because if you've been seeing this name everywhere lately and wondering what all the excitement is about, you are not alone. OpenClaw has taken the AI and developer community completely by storm, and for very good reason. OpenClaw is a free, open-source AI agent that you install and run on your own device or server. Think of it less like a chatbot and more like a digital employee, one that you can give real tasks to, and it will actually go ahead and complete them. It connects powerful AI models like Claude, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek directly to the tools and apps you already use every single day. We are talking about WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, iMessage, and dozens more. You simply send a message from your phone, and your agent gets to work. And what kind of work are we talking about? OpenClaw can read and write files, send emails, browse the web, manage your calendar, run code, monitor websites, automate entire business workflows, and even build its own new skills on the fly when it needs a capability it does not already have. It is not answering questions and stopping there. It is actually doing things on your behalf, start to finish, without you having to babysit every single step. What really makes OpenClaw stand out from every other AI tool out there is its persistent memory. Your agent remembers past conversations, your preferences, decisions you made days or even weeks ago, and it builds on all of that context over time. It genuinely gets smarter and more useful the longer you use it. That is something most AI tools simply cannot offer. The project launched in late 2025 and grew at a speed that nobody in the tech world had ever quite seen before. It crossed over 150,000 GitHub stars within just a couple of months, making it one of the fastest growing open source projects in history. Developers, freelancers, small business owners, and everyday users all jumped on board, sharing stories of their OpenClaw agents, triaging emails, monitoring competitors, drafting content, managing customer support, and even autonomously building entire knowledge bases. People stopped calling it a chatbot and started calling it exactly what it feels like, a tireless, always-on digital team member that works around the clock just for you. Now here's where things get interesting, and honestly, where a lot of people hit a wall. Because as incredible as OpenClaw is, getting it up and running on your own is not exactly a walk in the park. And this is something the community talks about openly and honestly. To self-host OpenClaw, you need a server that runs around the clock. Your laptop or home computer simply will not cut it, because the moment you close the lid or the machine goes to sleep, your agent goes offline with it. So you need a dedicated machine, a cloud server, a VPS, a Mac Mini, a Raspberry Pi, something that stays on and connected at all times. And that already introduces a layer of cost and complexity that stops a huge number of people before they even get started. Then comes the actual setup. You're looking at installing Docker, configuring Node.js, setting up environment variables, wiring up your API keys, securing your server, managing ports, and making sure everything talks to everything else correctly. And if something breaks at 2 in the morning, and trust me, something always does, you are the one who has to fix it. There are no support tickets, no help desk, no one to call. Just you, a blinking terminal cursor, and a growing sense of frustration. And even after you get everything running, the maintenance never really stops. Updates need to be applied, security patches need to be monitored, and server costs keep adding up month after month. For developers and power users who live in the terminal, this is all perfectly manageable. But for everyone else, for the freelancers, the entrepreneurs, the small business owners, and the everyday people who just want a powerful AI assistant without becoming a systems administrator, this whole process is genuinely painful. That is exactly the gap that exists between how powerful OpenClaw is and how accessible it actually is for most people. And that is precisely the problem that the tool we are about to talk about was built to solve. So what if all of that complexity we just talked about, the servers, the terminal commands, the Docker configurations, the sleepless debugging nights, what if all of it simply disappeared? That is exactly what Ampere brings to the table. Ampere is a managed hosting platform built specifically and exclusively for OpenClaw. It was designed from the ground up with one single goal in mind: to take everything that makes self-hosting OpenClaw painful and just handle it for you, completely in the background, so you never have to think about it. Think of it like Versal for AI assistance. You show up, you configure what you want your agent to do, and Ampere takes care of absolutely everything else. No server to provision, no terminal to open, no Docker to install, no environment variables to wrestle with, no midnight maintenance sessions. You simply sign up, go through a straightforward setup process, and your OpenClaw agent is live and running in under 60 seconds. That is not an exaggeration. That is literally how fast it works. What makes this even more remarkable is that Ampere launched with a genuinely free tier. We're not talking about a watered-down trial that expires after a few days and then hits you with a credit card charge. We're talking about a real, working OpenClaw agent, hosted on a real server, with free AI credits included right from the moment you sign up. No credit card required to get started. For the very first time, OpenClaw is not just powerful, it is accessible. And that changes everything about who gets to benefit from having a personal AI agent working for them around the clock. So let us talk about what you actually get when you sign up for Ampere, because the feature set here is genuinely impressive, especially considering you can get started completely free. The first thing that stands out is the one-click deployment. The moment you finish signing up, your OpenClaw agent is already live. There is no waiting, no configuration headaches, no technical steps to work through. Your agent is up, running, and ready to take on tasks before you even have time to second-guess yourself. For anyone who has spent hours trying to self-host OpenClaw, this alone feels like a miracle. Ampere also comes with what they call super memory, a persistent semantic memory system that goes far beyond what standard OpenClaw offers out of the box. Your agent does not just remember your last conversation. It remembers your preferences, your past decisions, your ongoing projects, and your working style, and it carries all of that context forward indefinitely across every single session. The longer you use it, the sharper and more personalized your agent becomes. Then there's the built-in web browsing capability. Ampere pre-configures a fully managed browser environment for your agent, which means it can browse websites, fill out forms, extract data, and monitor pages without triggering any bot detection. This comes ready to go right out of the box. No extra setup, no extensions, no headless browser configuration on your end. Ampere also supports over 100 integrations straight out of the gate. Slack, Notion, GitHub, Stripe, Gmail, and hundreds more, all connectable through the Ampere dashboard without any manual API wiring or webhook setup. Your agent can plug into your entire existing workflow without you having to build any of the plumbing yourself. And for the more technical users in the audience, Ampere supports bringing your own API keys. That means you can connect your own Claude, OpenAI, or DeepSeek API key and only pay Ampere for the hosting itself, keeping your AI inference costs completely separate and fully in your control. Smart routing is also built in, meaning Ampere automatically picks the most efficient AI model for each task, balancing quality and cost without you having to make that decision every single time. Everything runs on encrypted, isolated infrastructure, so your data stays yours. And perhaps most importantly, there is absolutely no vendor lock-in. You can export everything with a single click at any time and walk away if you ever choose to. That kind of transparency and respect for the user is something that is genuinely rare in this space. Now let us talk about pricing, because this is where Ampere really does something special. And it starts with something that is genuinely rare in this space. It is completely free to get started, and we mean that in the truest sense of the word. Ampere offers two distinct pricing paths, depending on how you want to set things up. One that bundles AI credits right into the plan, and one that is pure hosting for people who already have their own API keys. Let's walk through both. The first path is the credits-based pricing, where Ampere handles both the hosting and the AI usage all in one place. The free forever plan costs absolutely nothing, $0 per month, and gives you 2 virtual CPUs, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 20 gigabytes of storage, and 10,000 AI credits every single month. That is enough to get a real feel for what your OpenClaw agent can do, and it includes free hosting and community support right out of the gate. Now it is worth mentioning that the free plan does not include the custom API key feature. So if you want to bring your own Anthropic or OpenAI key, you will need to look at one of the paid tiers. Speaking of which, the Pro plan comes in at $39 per month and steps things up considerably. You get 4 virtual CPUs, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 40 gigabytes of storage, and 20,000 credits per month. But more importantly, you unlock unlimited web search, cloud backup, automatic updates, browser automation, the custom API key feature, so you can bring your own keys, auto top-up for credits, and priority support. This is where most serious users are going to land, and honestly, it is a very fair price for everything you're getting. 4 teams and heavier workloads. The Ultra plan is $79 per month and doubles nearly everything. 8 virtual CPUs, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 80 gigabytes of storage, and 40,000 credits per month, with all the same premium features as Pro. And if you're running a business and need something truly custom, the business plan offers 16 virtual CPUs, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 200 gigabytes of storage, fully managed setup and onboarding, a custom bot tailored specifically to your business, custom integrations and workflows, and priority support with a response time under 10 hours. Pricing for that one is custom, so you would reach out to the Ampere team directly. Now, the second pricing path is the VPS-Only option, and this one is designed specifically for people who already have their own API keys and just want rock-solid hosting without paying for credits they do not need. The starter plan kicks off at just $9.99 per month with 4 virtual CPUs, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 40 gigabytes of storage. The Pro VPS plan is $19.99 per month and bumps you up to 6 virtual CPUs, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 80 gigabytes of storage. Ultra VPS sits at $39.99 per month with 8 virtual CPUs, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 120 gigabytes of storage. And for maximum power, the max plan is $59.99 per month, giving you 12 virtual CPUs, 24 gigabytes of RAM, and 200 gigabytes of storage. Every single VPS plan supports Anthropic and OpenRouter, includes all the premium features, and you can cancel at any time with no hidden fees whatsoever. So whether you're just getting started for free, running a solo operation, managing a growing team, or scaling a full business, Ampere has a plan that fits exactly where you are right now. The link is sitting in the description below, so make sure you check it out. So at this point, you might be asking yourself, is Ampere actually the right fit for me? And that is a completely fair question. So let us break it down and talk about exactly who stands to benefit the most from what Ampere brings to the table. If you're a freelancer or a solopreneur who's constantly juggling multiple clients, deadlines, emails, and tasks all at once, Ampere was practically built for you. Having a personal AI agent that runs around the clock, remembers your preferences, handles your research, drafts your communications, and automates your repetitive workflows is like hiring a full-time assistant without the full-time salary. And being able to get that up and running for free without touching a single line of code makes it a completely no-brainer. If you're a small business owner who wants to automate lead generation, triage customer support, monitor competitors, or build internal knowledge bases, this is exactly the kind of tool that used to be reserved for companies with dedicated engineering teams and deep pockets. Ampere levels that playing field in a very real and meaningful way. If you're a developer or a power user who already knows what OpenClaw can do, but simply does not want to deal with the ongoing overhead of managing your own server infrastructure, Ampere lets you skip all of that and focus entirely on what your agent actually does rather than where it lives and how it stays online. And if you're someone who is completely new to AI agents, someone who has been hearing all the buzz around OpenClaw and wants to try it out without committing to a steep learning curve or complicated technical setup, the free plan exists precisely for you. You can sign up, have a working AI agent in under a minute, and start exploring what is genuinely possible before spending a single cent. Honestly, the only person Ampere might not be the perfect fit for is someone who genuinely loves managing servers, enjoys the process of self-hosting, and wants complete hands-on control of every layer of their infrastructure. And even then, the sheer convenience and the quality of what Ampere offers might just change your mind. And that really brings us to the big picture here. OpenClaw is not just another AI tool in an already crowded space. It represents something genuinely different, a shift from AI that talks to AI that actually does. And for the first time, thanks to Ampere, the barrier to experiencing that shift has been reduced to almost nothing. You no longer need a computer science degree to run your own AI agent. You no longer need to spend a weekend configuring servers and debugging Docker containers. You no longer need to worry about uptime, maintenance, security patches, or surprise bills at the end of the month. All of that is handled. All of that is gone. What you're left with is the part that actually matters, an incredibly powerful, always-on, personally yours AI assistant that works for you around the clock on the apps you already use from the phone already in your pocket. Whether you're a complete beginner who just wants to see what all the fuss is about, or a seasoned professional looking to offload hours of repetitive work every single week, Ampere gives you a genuinely clean and frictionless path to getting there. And the fact that you can start completely free with no credit card required, with real AI credits included, and have your agent live and running in under 60 seconds, that is not just convenient. That is a completely different standard for what accessible AI tooling should look like. So if this video has sparked even a little bit of curiosity, do not just let it sit there. Go ahead and click the link in the description, sign up for the free plan, and see what your very own OpenClaw agent can do for you. You have genuinely got nothing to lose and an enormous amount of time and energy to gain back. And if you found this video helpful, please do hit that like button. It takes 1 second and it makes a huge difference for this channel. Share this with someone in your circle who is always talking about productivity, automation, or AI, because they absolutely need to see this. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. There's a lot more content like this coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching all the way through, and we will see you in the next one.